I'm cooking with Laura from San Remo. We're going to be cooking a pasta dish, an unusual pasta that we're cooking with today.
Something a bit different. It's a green pea pasta, so made from 100% green pea flour, which is really, really cool. So it's gluten-free, full of fibre, super good for you.
Yep.
The colour's really cool. I think kids will love it as well.
Yep.
And something just a bit different, you know, give your body a bit of a reboot, bit of refresh, and put some greens with it.
I think sometimes pasta can tend to be a little heavy.
Yeah.
But by doing it like this, it really lightens it up.
Absolutely. So this is a really quick one. So I'm going to start by putting the pasta in the water, so some salted boiling water.
Yep.
For about 6 to 8 minutes, and I might get you to start making a pesto for me.
Fabulous.
So basil, garlic, pine nuts, olive oil, salt, pepper. I think you know what you're doing.
All right, if you trust me.
Absolutely. So pasta in, and then we'll just give that a quick stir and then basically walk away from it. Then I've also got some kale, and some garlic. So I'm going to fry that up. And then we've got some little cherry tomatoes roasting in the oven too that we're just going to add at the end for a little bit of sweetness. And yeah.
And how long have they been cooking for?
So they've been cooking for about 20 minutes in an oven at 180 degrees. So just till they're nice and caramelised, a little bit shriveled up and really juicy and sweet.
And kale. Oh, kale is popular these days.
It is.
I always say kale farmers are making a killing out there.
They absolutely are.
But you could change up the kale if you wanted for this recipe.
So baby spinach, silver beet, or you could just leave it out and have a beautiful plain pesto with the green pea penne.
I guess the idea is keeping this sauce light to showcase and show off this really interesting pasta.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we've got some garlic and salt just in the olive oil. We'll let that fry off, then we'll add the kale. And once the pesto is all brown, we can pretty much bring it all together.
Oh, too easy. All right, well, I'm going to blend this until it starts to form a crumb, and then I'll start adding olive oil.
Beautiful. Alrighty, Justine, our little cherry tomatoes, nice and blistered, really soft, really sweet. So just some oil and some salt on those. Then we're just going to take the beautiful penne straight out with a little bit of that water as well. As you know, I love adding just a touch of water just to thicken up the sauce. And then if you wouldn't mind actually adding some of the pesto.
Sure.
And we're basically just going to bring the whole dish together now.
Delicious pesto. I love this.
And obviously we're adding the pesto at the end because we don't want it to colour. We want to keep that really nice, fresh, green, vibrant colour.
And I love these tomatoes, how they've held their shape. So we're going to see them throughout the dish as opposed to it being completely crushed in there.
All right, Justine, so we'll just slide these tomatoes in. Beautiful. Just like that.
It's just so... It smells so fantastic. You can smell all of that basil and the pine nuts too.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's it. We'll plate this up now, I reckon.
Colours of the Italian flag.
Beautiful. So green, red, beautiful penne, and it's healthy, which is great.
And I think because we've got a vegan pasta, we can have extra pasta for us.
Absolutely.
I'll get a fork for both of us to have a try.
Yum. Thank you.
All right, I want one of these little tomatoes.
Yum.
Like we were saying, it's really vibrant and fresh. And that pop of sweetness from the tomatoes just tops off this dish. A delicious, like we said, vegan dish fit for everybody to love.